This is this, but from more than 100 years ago. This is a Barrett adding machine mechanical calculator made in USA around 1920. Let's see how this machine works. Numbers are entered using these keys. There is no key for 0. Pressing no key means 0 as input. I'm going to add two numbers now. First number, 1250, and I rotate the crank, and the number is added to the accumulator. Keys are resetted, so I can add next number, 2250. I rotate the crank again, and the second number is added to the accumulator. To clear the accumulator, the crank should be rotated with this red button pressed.